Excuse me, Sonny.
We're just doing our part. Hot 104.5. Yellow Model G. Yellow Mississippi. Yellow Lamborghini.
Come on, let's go, go, go. Almost start time.
Alright guys, just whenever you're ready, let's go. Whenever. Tasha, come in, please. Oh, there you go.
I'll play it.
Oh, sweet.
Good job.
Thanks.
Good job. How was it?
That was awesome. My second time, best time ever. Singing experience, pretty good.
Good job.
I'll step on this side and turn around. Curly, how was it? Scary.
She put holes in
Okay,
her
one more
face.
step up.
So fast.
Good job.
Sarah's coming.
There you go. Good
Come
job.
on, Curly, quickly. Get down here. Oh. Here comes Sarah. Daddy, next time you go first and I go second.
Perfect.
Sarah,
Good job.
that's what it feels like.
Good job. You let go?
Yep.
All right.
For 5 more seconds, I was counting.
Good job.
Second time good, best time ever.
Good to hear.
Second time good, best time.
When you're with me, it's the best time.
When I'm here alone, it's the best time. Let go, Joshua!
Good job. Good job. Okay. Reach up here.
Stand up, Joshua.
Go. Okay. All the way up. Good job.
Did you like it, Josh?
You like that?
Joshua, was it fun?
Good job.
Come on, Joshua!
All three.
Come on, sit down. Ooh, sweat in here. See who's up next.
No.
I think that's Carly. Let go! Carly, let go! Carly?
Good job.
You didn't let go. That's it.
I feel let go.
What?
If you're right here is the school. I can stop you anyway. You're good.
Quickly, Sarah. Quickly, Carly. Come on, sit down. Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do. That's what you're supposed to do. Well, I had my hands up and then I got scared.
Okay, just like her.
Carly, did you like
You
it?
saw me, you went. No, I made a promise we wouldn't bounce her on this one, so I took her with me.
Good.
Oh, yeah.
Good job.
I let go.
5 and go upside down, and it's 300 feet up.
Just
Good job. Good job.
come on, Josh.
Good job.
Last time either.
All right.
Hold
Good
that,
job.
Sarah.
Last time either.
I was
Is
waving.
that one fun?
See me waving?
Joshua, did you like it?
You like that one?
He's like,
Joshua,
yeah.
did you like it?
Yeah, he's like,
Joshua, was it fun? That means yes.
give him 5, Joshua.
All right, buddy.
Good job.
Yeah, come on, Sweetheart.
Good. Good. Good.
Did you like it, Josh? Yes? Cheers.
Let go.
Did he make you let go? Pretty cool. Boy, did you let go this time? You did, Carson?
Good job. I got
I hear a wahoo somewhere.
There you go. Good job.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That choked me.
Uh-oh. Chicken's coming.
I would not like to be over there.
There you go. She did it. Hey. Okay. Good job. Good job.
For a girl who said she wouldn't do it, she did it.
You did great. There you go. You did great.
Harley, I'm proud of you, sweetheart.
How was that? Wow. She's trying to act like it was horrible.
Oh no.
Even though she stayed upside down longer than anybody did.
Yeah.
Good
Think
job.
she
You
liked
did
it.
perfect. Okay, make sure to step back, okay?
Dawson, he's trying to get out that door. Dawson, he's trying to get out there.
Oh, good job.
Good
Good
job.
job.
Good job, Josh.
Good job. No.
Oh,
Oh man.
No.
Upside down.
oh.
Good job, buddy.
Yep.
Uh-oh. See if she can do it as long as you did. I doubt it. Nope. I knew it. You still a little nervous.
It's on here to us. My hair looks like a nice man. I have a headache.
Joshua, Joshua.
Joshua!
Oh, here you go.
Come on here, you go. Troublemakers want to put their hand in front.